Come here. Mindy, Mindy. Oh, come on. We're not upset about yesterday. If I'm not, you shouldn't be. Mindy, Mindy. Mindy, Mindy, Mindy. Where's my Mindy friend? You want to come here? Come here, sweetheart. You gotta do it right, though. Come here. Onto your perch. There you go. I just want to pet you today. I just want to pet my little girl. Turn around. I want to pet you. There you go. That's what we need to do today. That's what we need to do. That's what we need. Pretty girl. Oh, what a pretty, pretty girl. He loves you. He loves little Mindy Lou. It's all right. Calm down. No, I'm not going to take you out yet. Probably tomorrow. You want to turn around and let me pet you? Turn around. Turn around. Oh, good girl. No, I don't quite trust you today, honey girl. Ah. No, you're still in that kind of mood. I can tell. I can tell. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl and you're going to be a good girl for the rest of your life? Turn around. Yay, Mindy. No. Turn around. Quit mocking me, Gonzo. No? Alright. Come here. Come here. I want to pet your nose. I do need to pet your nose. Come here. Come here. Where's my Mindy Lou? Where's my Mindy baby? Mindy, Mindy, Mindy. Are you a good girl? There you go. Turn around. No. Oh, you are going to be in that mood, huh? Whoa, Mindy Lou. Come here. Okay. Take it like a good girl. There you go. There you go. There's my girl. Yay, Mindy.